Hi friends, welcome to Projector's Repair World. I'm going to show the Hitachi Projector CPS210 Multimedia LCD Projector Lamp replacement. It is very simple. This is the projector Hitachi LCD Projector CPS210T. Yes, very simple. Only one simple lock over here. Just pull back side. Only cap. Just removing this. After that, only one screw. Simply pull the lamp. This is the lamp of projector lamp. For this model, we also available the DMD chip and color wheel lamps, RGB panel. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Visit our centers Madhapur and Secunderabad. Have a nice day.